Hello students, today we will be discussing page number 36, fourth question, class 9, pair of equations, in which this fourth question states that there is 3.5 meter long wire to be cut into two pieces. That means 3.5 meter long wire has to be cut into two pieces. One piece is to be cut in a square, like this. In a square, one piece has to be cut, and another piece into an equilateral triangle, equal sides, equilateral triangle. So one piece has to be cut in the form of square, another piece has to be cut like this, like an equilateral triangle. The length of the sides must be same. That means the length of the sides must be same. How should they be cut? Like how should they be cut? Firstly, you should start. The answer is like you should start with the total length. What you have in the question itself. The total length of the wire is 3.5 meter. 3.5 into 100 would give you 350 centimeter. You have converted 3.5 meter into 350 centimeter. You can see this square has equal sides. Let it be a centimeter. Then this equilateral triangle also has the same length, a centimeter. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. As you are aware, the square, the outer side will give you 4 times the sides, because all the 4 sides are equal, into a centimeter. Okay, and equilateral triangle will have 3 sides, equal sides, into a centimeter. So this will give you 4a, and equilateral triangle will give you 3a. This 4a and 3a you have to add, and it will and you have to equate this to 350 centimeter. So 4a plus 3a is equal to 350 centimeter. Now if you add these two terms, 4a and 3a, it will become 7a. So 7 into a is equal to 350. A is equal to, when this you take 7 to the opposite side of the equal to sign, the multiplication will get converted to division. So 350 divided by 7, when you divide this you will get 50 centimeter. So you have got what is A is equal to 50. Now you have to substitute in this. Okay, the first piece of the wire you are already aware, it is 4A. So what is A? 4 into 50 centimeter. This 50 centimeter you have got from here. You will get the answer in 200 centimeter. 200 centimeter you have to convert this into meter. So if you divide this by 100, 200, you will get 2 meter. So first piece you have got as the length to be divided in 2 meter. Now the second piece of the wire is 3a. 3 into a will give you, if you substitute this value over here, a value, 3 into 50 will give you 150. So 150 is in centimeter. You have to divide this by 100. You will get 1.5 meter. So you have got the two divisions. First wire has to be divided in 2 meter, and the second wire is already 1.5 meter. So you have found out what is the division. 3.5 meter long wire is divided into 2 meter and 1.5 meter. Hello students, today we will be discussing page number 36, class 9, pair of equation, the fifth question. The distance traveled by an object in t seconds. Okay, object when it is traveling in particular seconds, it is written in this way. Starting with the speed u. U is a initial speed, which is meter divided by second, and moving along a straight line with a speed increasing at the rate meter per second. Okay, so object is moving in a straight line with a speed increasing at the rate meter per second. That means every meter it travels, the object travels, the speed keeps on increasing. every second is given by this equation. This is the famous equation in physics by Newtonian physics. When you learn physics, you will come to know that this is a equation in physics. Here u is the initial speed, t is the time in which the object is traveling, plus half a is the acceleration into t square. Okay, this is the formula given by the formula given in the question. An object is moving in this manner. It travels in 10 meter in 2 seconds. Okay, in 2 seconds it travels 10 meter, and in 28 meter in 4 seconds. That means in 4 seconds it travels 28 meters, and in 2 seconds the object travels 10 meters. With what speed it will start and what rate its speed change. So we have to find out two parameters. Firstly, what we need to find out is, in this question, is u, initial velocity, and what rate the speed changes is given. At what rate it changes is given by this term a. A is equal to speed. Speed changes means speed divided by time. What rate it changes, rate is always given by the time equation. So this speed divided by time is acceleration itself. So two parameters you need to find out. First parameter is initial speed, that is u, and second parameter is acceleration. So let these two terms be, let the initial velocity be small u and the acceleration be small a in this time small t. Okay, this equation is given from the question itself. D is equal to, D is the distance travel, so D is equal to initial velocity into time plus half a is the acceleration, t square. Okay, let this be equation 1. Now in this equation 1 we have been given two things. In time 2 seconds it traveled distance 10 meters. So we can substitute this value in this equation itself. So when we substitute 2 seconds at t, okay, when we substitute small t as 2 seconds and d as 10 meters, you can see this is in meter. So instead of putting 10 m, we have just put the numbers. So 10 meter is equal to u into, instead of t we will put 2. Okay, plus half a we are not aware, t square means into 2 is the value over here of small t, so 2 the whole square. Okay, 2 into 2 you will get 4. Okay, so 10 is equal to 2u plus half a into 4, and this 4 and this 2 will get cancelled because 2 2s are 4. So 1 2 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator, and you will get 2a. In this way you get 10 is equal to 2u plus 2a. This is the equation number 2. Now here, secondly, we have been given in 4 seconds it travels 28 meters. So in this 28 meter can be substituted over here. Okay, instead of d we can substitute 28, and instead of small t we can substitute 4 seconds. So 28 is equal to u into small t we can put 4 plus half we have got from this equation in a into a. This is into the multiplication. If there is nothing, it is multiplication into a we are not aware, and then small t would be 4. So instead of t you have to put 4 and the square of the 4. So that means 4 into 4. So this numerator, this 4 and this denominator 2 will get cancelled. So 28 is equal to this, if you multiply it will be 4u plus half into a. This 2 2s are 4, 1 2 in the numerator and the 2 in the denominator will get cancelled. So we will get balance over here 2. So 2 4s are 8. Okay, this 8 you will get over here. 8 into A. Okay, that is how you get 28 is equal to 4u plus 8a. This is the equation number 3. Hello students, today we will be continuing fifth question, and we had reached over here like 2u plus 2a is equal to 10. Okay, this we had got from 10 is equal to 2u plus 2a. Okay, then 4u plus 8a. Okay, plus 8a is equal to 28. This is equation number 3. This we have got from here. This is our previous equation. 28 is equal to 4u plus 8a. It has been rearranged over here. Okay, the equal to has gone to another side. That is how we have started. 4u plus 8a is equal to 28, and this also 2u plus 2a is equal to 10. This we have rearranged and written in another form. Now if you clearly look at these two equations only, equation number 2 and equation number 3, you need to eliminate any one, u or a, so that you can find out any one. Okay, this you will come to know when we solve the whole question, why we are eliminating any one. There are two variables out here. We don't know u as well as we don't know a, so we need to find both. So what we need to do is that these two equations, if you see properly, you can see u terms. Okay, if you multiply this by 2, this will become 4u, and in this way you can eliminate u. Okay, but you have to multiply this by 2, the whole equation. So this will get 4u, this will be 4a, and this will get 20. So that is what we have done over here. To eliminate u, we have to multiply this equation number 2, by 2. Once you multiply it by 2, the whole equation by 2, the first will get converted to 4u, the second plus 4a, because 2 will get multiplied to 2u, then it will become 4u, and when 2 multiplies with 2a, it will be 4a, and when 2 gets multiplied with 10, it will become 20. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, this is this based on this equation and this equation, since we have both the terms u common in both the equations, in equation number 3 and equation number 4. So subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3, so you have to place the bigger integer on top, bigger number minus the smaller number. Here the bigger number is equation number 3 and the smaller number is equation number 4. So that is why equation number 3, this is equation number 3, 4u plus 8a is equal to 28, and equation number 4 is 4u plus 4a is equal to 20. Now we have to minus. So subtracting these two common terms, you will get, these two terms will get cancelled. Now 8a minus 4a, you will get 4a, then 28 minus 20, you will get 8. So 4a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 divided by 4. In this way you will get a as 2. A, if you remember when the question started, this question when we started, we had marked a as acceleration. So that is why we have found out acceleration. So acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second. That is the unit of acceleration. Okay, now substituting the value of a in any of the equation, let it be equation number 3, 4, 2 or 1, okay, you will get the same answer. Okay, here we have used equation number 4. So we have substituted the value of a is equal to 2 meter per second in equation number 4. So this is the equation number 4. Here we have substituted 4u plus, instead of a we have put 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, that is equal to 20. This we have got the equation from the equation number 4. Just we have substituted the value for a, that's it. So 4u plus 8 we have got from 4 into 2, 8 is equal to 20. This 8, when it goes to the opposite sign, the sign will change from plus sign to minus sign. So 4u is equal to 20 minus 8. 4u is equal to 20 minus 8, you will get answer 12. This multiplication, when it goes to the opposite side, it will be 12 divided by 4. Okay, and we will get the answer 3. So in this way we have found out the initial velocity as 3 meter per second. So this was for class 9 pair of equation 36 page number. We have solved the 5th question. Okay, so we had found out the acceleration as 2 meter per second. Okay, and the initial velocity, u stands for initial velocity. By substituting the value of a in any of the equations, here we use equation number 4. So this equation number 4, we have taken this equation number 4 and we have written over here, instead of a we have put 2, and we have calculated all these things, and we have later on found out u is equal to 3 meters per second. So this is the initial velocity, 3 meter per second. Thank you.